Hello, it's me Thea and welcome back to the channel. You are watching Tea and Caffeine, the casual living channel for the casually alive people. So today I'll be showing you guys how I designed my Chinese New Year manicure and also like a mini vlog of me getting my nails done. So I only did the design, but the girl who did the actual nail art on my nails for me is not me. I'm not that good. So for this Chinese New Year theme, I wanted it to be a bit more like pastel color with a bit of chrome, because I find that sometimes Chinese New Year nails, right? If you make if you make them like just red and gold, which is the normal Chinese New Year colors, like once Chinese New Year is over in like a week, then you feel like the nails look kind of outdated. So I didn't want to do red gold. I just wanted to do like a very cute pastel theme, and this year is the year of the snake. So I wanted to have some 3D snakes on my nails, but you can see from the right hand, the right thumb, right, I didn't manage to get that exact design on my nail because my nail artist mentioned that it might be a bit too thick. So yeah, so I have some oranges, some ribbons, some 3D snakes, and some like flowers. So this is my current nail art that I have now. It's been on my nails for about like 6 weeks. This is the other hand of my current nails. They're really cute and I really like them. So we're gonna get them removed so we can put the new nail art today. So here it is. We're just lapalita-duda up the stairs into the lift. Papalipadupa. So this is the place where I get my nails done. It's a very cozy one-person workshop. So the girl who runs this, she does everything alone, and so the whole place is just for one person. Usually there's no other customers there. And today she recommended me to watch this Japanese Netflix dating show called The Boyfriend. It was very, very entertaining. And I did my pedicure too, but I won't be showing you guys that because that content you need to unlock on my OnlyFans. I'm just kidding. Here she's just removing the previous manicure by buffing everything off, and she does it really gently so it doesn't hurt. And I've been with her for about like, I think, more than a year. So I get my nails done every like 4 to 8 weeks. Sometimes I get them done every 8 weeks and sometimes every 4 weeks. It depends on the occasion. If there's anything special that's coming up that I want to change my nails for. And she does such a great job. She's insanely talented. Like, even if I draw my nail art and I give them to her, she can recreate them to like 100% of what I drew, which is insane. I have tried other nail artists before, but they usually either they can't recreate the design, or I feel like their handiwork is not as detailed or not as nice. Or there was one that I went that after I did like 2 or 3 times of manicure at their place, my nails split. It cracked in the middle because I think maybe when they removed the previous nail polish, they removed too much of my nail, and it just became so brittle and soft, and it was so scary, and it hurt so much when the nail split. So far this girl, she's been doing an amazing job, and I really think that every penny that I spend on her services is really, really worth it. So yeah, here she is. She's starting on the nail art, the nail design. Look at that amazing hand motion. Look at the face of concentration. I'm kidding, I censored her face. She knows that I'm filming. I did ask for permission, but I don't think I don't think she wants her face to be like on YouTube. So I just blurred it. So this is nearing the end of the manicure. She's kind of sealing everything in with a layer of top coat. And yeah, I'm super happy with how this turned out. And I will show you guys in the next shot here. Look at this. Amazing nail art. She outperformed herself again. For the thumb, like I mentioned, we didn't do exactly as the design that I wanted, but it's fine. It turned out amazing. Look at it. Look at the photos. So yeah, thank you so much for coming for today's video. This has been my video on me designing my Chinese New Year 2025 manicure and a mini vlog of me getting them done. And I'll see you guys in the next video next week. Bye!